Hi students. Another question, it's saying we have based on the histogram above of the following, which is closest to the average arithmetic mean number of seeds per apple. So we need to know the average of the number of seeds per apple. So let's read the histogram and see if we can understand it. It's saying number of seed in each 12 apple. That means I have 12 apple. Is it true? 3 seeds in 2. So 3 seeds in 2. After that 5 seeds in 4. So that means 2 and 4, 6. After that 1, 7. After that 2, 9. After that 3, 12. So really I have 12 apples, and this is a number of seeds in each number of apples. So now the best idea is to find the total number of seeds. So total number of seeds is going to be like that. If I have 3 seeds in 2 apples, if I have 5 seeds in 4 apples, if I have 6 seeds in 1 apple, if I have 7 seeds in 2 apple, and if I have 9 seeds in 3 apple. So let me check the number of seeds. In this case it's going to be 6, here 20, here 6 again, after that 14, and after that 27. So now I can say if I add all of them, I will get the total number of seeds. So I have 6 and 14, 20, 20, 20 equal 40, 40 and 27, that means 67, and 6, that means 73. So 73 seeds and distributed on with 12 apples. So if I need to know the average, I take the 73 and I divide it by the 12 apple. So here I can see right away it's going to be 6. 6 times 2 equal 12. I have 1. 6 times 1, 6, and 1, 7. That means 6 something. Okay, that means the best answer here is going to be 6, because it's saying is closest to the average. So it's not exactly 6, it's 6 point something. So you can see here 6 is the right answer. Next question. A group of 10th grade students responded to a survey that asked which math course they were currently enrolled in. The survey data were broken down as shown in the table above. Which of the following categories accounts for approximately 19% of all the survey respondents? So we are looking for this percentage, 19%. 19% we can write it with this way, or we can write it 19 over 100, or we can write it in decimal, 0.19. There is many forms that we can write. So now they are saying the first one, females taking geometry. Females taking geometry. So if I take like that, this is a female taking geometry, and we have a total of 53, and this total is between female and male, and the total here for this is for the geometry. So here, which of the following category account for approximately 19% of all survey respondents? So that means I need the total for all. So that means 53, I compare it with 310, because I am relating 19% of all the survey respondents. After that, this is number A. Number B, it's saying female taking algebra 2. That means 62. So 62 over 310. C, males taking geometry. Males taking geometry, so 59. So that means 59 over 310. And after that, the D, I have it here. Males taking algebra 1. Males taking algebra 1, I see it here, it's 44 over 310. So we need to know exactly which one is going to be the 19%. So to do this one, I can say 19 over 100, is it close to 53 over 310? Or 62 over 310 or 59 over 310. So I can take the first one and I do the division, and if I'm not allowed to use calculator, so I have to find the way and see how much it's going to give me. If it's close to 19, I can adjust. I can say, okay, maybe it's not 53, maybe 59, maybe 62, and so on. So 53 divided by 310, for sure I have to force, like I'm going to say this is 0 because I cannot divide 53 by 310. So 0, it will give me 0 here and 53, and I'm going to force the 0 here and force the decimal here. So now I can check which number I can add here. So it's going to be 1, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 1 equal 1, 1 times 3 equals 3. This will give me to 20. I add another 0, 22 by 7. That means if I'm saying 7 times 0, 0, 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 3 equal 21. So I see it here 0.17. I can stop at this level. I say no, it's not the 53. So let me go to something a little bit more. So do I go to 44? For sure no. So D, it's not correct. D is less. And A, it's not correct. So now I have between B and C. So I take the 59 because this is, I don't need too much more. So I will take 59 divided by 310. Again, I'm going to say 0. It's going to give me 0. 59, I force the 0, I force the decimal point. Now it's going to be 1, 310, 0, and here it's going to be 8, and here 2. Now when I force the 0, 28 divided by 3, maybe it's going to be 9. 9 times 0, 0, 9 times 1, none, 9 times 3, 27. Excellent, perfect. So this is the closest one to 19%. So that means number C is the right choice. And this is how to choose the right it instead of doing the 4 division, going to take too much time. So now I can relate it to the 53. I can say, okay, I need something a little bit more. So 59 over 310 is the right answer, and C is the right choice. Next. What does the C-intercept represent in the graph? So I can see here there is graph, the x-axis is time, the total cost is on the y-axis, and actually they call it here H and C. And to read it, the graph above display the total cost C, so C is the cost, in dollars of renting a boat for H hours. So this is a time. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and this is the total cost. So the C-intercept means what? The C-intercept means this point. When the graph cut the axis of the C, we call this C-intercept. So here, this one, it's 5. So this one, how we call it? There is 4 choices. Initial cost of renting the boats, the total number of boats rented, the total number of hours the boat is rented, the increasing cost to rent the boat for each additional hour. For sure, number A right away, this is, we call it the initial cost of renting the boat. That means what? The word initial cost of renting the boat, that means you have to pay $5 if you're gonna rent it for 1 hour, if you're gonna rent it for 2 hours, if you're gonna rent it for 5, if you're gonna rent it for 10 hours, who cares? You have to pay $5 as initial cost at the beginning. So this is the right choice. Now, if I go to the continuation of this question, it's saying which of the following represent the relation between H and C. This reminds us with the equation or linear equation when it's saying y equal mx plus b, where m is the slope, where b is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept here is the c-intercept, and we know it already. This is 5, so I need something plus 5. So that means this one is refused. This one is refused. I cannot get it. I am between the B and the C. I'm not sure which one is going to give me the right answer. So who can help me to choose the right one is the slope, the m. Is m equals 3 over 4 or m equal to 3? And who can help me? The graph. So I can take two, like small part here, and take this 2 point. So this point is coming from 0 until 1. That means this distance from 0 to 1, from here to here, this is what we call it the run. Now, from the point, the difference of y between this point and this is what we call it the rise. So this point at 8 and this point at 5. 8 minus 5, so rise over run. 8 minus 5, and the x-is 1 minus 0. So that means 3 over 1, which means 3. So right away, number C is the right answer, because the slope is 3 and the y-intercept equal to 5. So this is the right answer, that it's matching with the graph. Thank you for your attention.